Okay, I'm going to finish that. Okay, I'm going to finish this topic in just 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. So in today's class summary, okay, in today's class summary, we understood from the given requirement, okay, how to identify the happy path test cases and how to identify the negative test cases, okay, and each and every word importance of the line we understood, okay. So now you can tell me who has raised the test cases, who has identified the test cases. I have given this task to everyone, okay, okay, and again I'm giving one more chance, okay. Again, I'm giving one more chance to everyone. Whoever will do the best one, okay. You have time up to for tomorrow, okay. You can come up and so I have given the task. Whoever will do this task, they can able to survive very smoothly in any of the organization. I can easily tell. Okay, this task is very, very important. Okay. So if I'm telling this topic, they can able to survive in any of the company. Okay, today's task is very, very important. Writing of code is not important. So some means so the manual tester is job is very, very important. He is covering all the functionalities. You are simply automating, you are simply writing set of driver instructions and you are nowhere interacting with the clients also. Okay, because your job is simple. You have to write set of driver instructions and you are automating. So they have identified all the functionalities what needs to be tested. Okay, so you have to identify all the test scenarios, test case combinations. Okay, in your resumes also, I'm keeping this point. Having very good experience in identifying the test scenarios and test case objectives. This is the point I'm writing in every line, every resume. If you don't keep this point, okay, your resume cannot be shortlisted. So automation testing means you have a knowledge of both functional testing and automation. Okay, so that is the reason only people are hiring only for automation test engineers. Okay, if you are only manual testing, okay, nobody can call you all at all. Okay, there is no openings for manual testing openings. But ideally in organizations, they can hire you on the automation position. Okay, but they can keep you in, sometimes they can keep you in manual testing, sometimes they can keep you in automation testing. Okay, but the growth wise automation testing has a bright future. Okay, but you have to know whenever you will come up with the background of manual testing and what functionalities that you have to automate. If you are having both knowledge on the domain manual and automation, you can able to automate the functionality very, very easily because you know what needs to be automated. Understood? So now you can tell me who has written the test cases. And anyway, I will go through tomorrow. Okay, you can come up with your test scenarios and test cases. Okay, and I can spend my personal time. Okay, whoever is doing the best. Previously, some of the people, they have no idea how to write the test scenarios and test cases. Anyway, my friend GK has taken session on last Saturday. Okay, anyway, I am taking separate sessions. Just I asked him to take whenever his time is possible. I asked him. Okay, so hope today's session is helpful to everyone. Is everyone clear? Whoever is online,
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
can
sir.
able to, so can everyone can able to write the test scenarios and test cases now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see. You can write that. So don't write big description. You can write simple one. What you are going to test. If you are writing one big paragraph, that is useless for me. Okay, I cannot go through that point. You can write what you are going to prove test case subject. You can write very straightforward simply. Okay, if you are writing 1000 characters, 1500 characters like that, that is not helpful for me. Whenever a client, when he will simply will go through that sentence, he has to understand. In such a way, you can write very simply. Okay, so like that, I want test case. Anyway, I will share this document, this notepad, and this test case template I already shared. Okay, now you can come up. So hope now everyone is clear how to write, how to identify the test scenarios and test cases. Now I'm giving this one more second chance. Okay, you can come up with your test cases and test scenarios. Okay, and who the responsibility of manual tester is, okay, sometimes whoever is working on those modules, you have to give the test scenario walkthrough session to the function, to the clients. Okay, sir, I'm scaring, sir, I'm not able to talk, sir. So if you are telling you cannot go for the MNC, don't choose for job in MNC also. Okay, you have to talk, you have to, whatever you are writing, you have to express, you have to tell, nothing you are doing wrong. Okay, whatever you are writing, you are freely talking with others. If something is not if you something is not correct, anyway internally you are checking with your team members prior to presentation. So this is my expectation, this is my expectation, anyway it is already reviewed and documented. It's also you are very confident before before going your presentation. Okay, so see, you cannot hide for some days. You might be, you can hide for some days. After 10 days or 15 days or 20 days, after 1 month, you have to face the people, you have to give your presentation. Okay, so if you are weak in communications, okay, you cannot able to walk through your session at all. Okay, so you have to be, whatever you are writing, you have to explain everything very, so that should be an understandable format. If you write simply with simple sentences, that anybody can easily understand. Okay, she's writing this one. Okay, just by going through the line itself, if you are writing with simple English, anybody can easily understand. Okay, you can talk with everyone very freely, they can help you. Okay, so that's what. So we understood in testing phases, we understood today, we understood. Okay, where is my background about that one testing? Okay, so now we understood what is the importance of going through the requirements analysis, study and understanding. Okay, this is not a simple task. Okay, 80% of the work is completed by manual testing team. So because why we are doing automation, because these functionalities we have to test it for every release, every monthly we have to test it whether these functionalities are properly working fine or not. Because whenever new functional features are delivering into production, there are thousands of test cases that we need to ensure those are properly working fine or not. I cannot go and check each and every 1,000 test cases. Sometimes some functionalities will be broken. So if something has been written and it is executing through automation script, it can help my time. So all 1,000 test cases, if I will able to complete it within 3 hours, that will saves my time. Suppose if I will go for manual testing team, I have to execute it for 15 days, 20 days, 1 month. So that means I have to wait for 30 days to take my business decision. Is it really required? Nowadays, nobody is waiting. Okay, so if you are waiting, that means you will lose your business opportunities. The client will lose business opportunities. They want who can test their application very urgently, who can automate their application very fastly, who can able to automate very efficiently. Okay, so like that. Understood what is the importance of our automation testing? So everything has to automate it. Automation is required for every project. So manually, if I will depend, I have to hire 20 members. Okay, but if I will hire 2 or 3 automation testers, I can able to test this 1,000 functionalities 10 times. Okay, so it will save a lot of client, it will save a lot of money and time for the client. Understood? So your job is, in your resume, I'm keeping these points, I'm telling repeatedly. Okay, going through the requirements, analysis, study and understanding, identify the test scenarios. So this is the main objective you understood. And what is a test scenario you understood? What is a test scenario means high level summary, what you are going to test. And test case, it is a subtask from a test case. Each test case can contain some test object. Sir, I don't know, sir, how to write test case. If you are coming the same question in the next session, that means today's exercise you haven't done. So whatever exercise that I'm giving today, okay, is very most important. If you don't do this exercise, okay, you will be lagged. Okay, you cannot able to continue. Okay, just try your best. Or if you are not able to sit 2 or 3 people as a group, and you can work out offline. Okay, and it can identify if you whenever, so in companies also 2-3 people they will sit and they can discuss. And so am I covered all the functionalities or not? Because even myself also, even I'm having 15 years also, okay, still I have doubts whether I have covered all the functionalities or not. But by experience, people will know what functionalities needs to be covered and everything. Okay, right. And this part, test execution phase, defect logging, and test completion, these topics we can discuss in the next sessions. Okay, so in today's, so I'm not asking how to write this test case detailed steps. These detailed steps I will ask you in the next sessions, not now. So whatever task that I have given, I'm expecting from everyone, okay, this one, test scenario ID, test case objective. So this is I have given very simply. Just now I have explained how you have to think broadly from the given requirement. See in a notepad how many combinations it is coming. So okay, this much meaning is there. Okay, yeah, that's it for today.
Sir,
Everyone is helpful. Yeah, somebody is asking.
don't we need to write each and every step for the test cases, right? Just
No,
we need
don't
to write
write.
test objectives.
Just test objectives only. Don't go for the detailed test case tips. I'm not asking the detailed test case tips.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you please share that to for a demo?
Which
This
one?
This one,
This
sir.
one. This one.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is already
Total,
there.
total Excel
One
file,
second.
sir.
1 second. I will show. This is the Excel only I have shared. See, Orange HRM test scenarios and test case. This is the Excel only I'm opening and I'm explaining. Okay. So this Excel itself I have shared on last class.
Sir, it
So
have
this
just two test scenarios only, sir. Just open
I will
and
show
see.
you. I will show you. Right. See, just for reference I have given. Okay.
Okay.
Just for reference I have given. Just now whatever I understood, that analysis part I kept it in my notepad. You have to keep this sheet in proper way in this Excel sheet. Okay, just what is a test scenario and how I identified, just I have given simple example. Okay, but here I'm doing my analysis part, requirement analysis part I'm doing. After that I'm going to keep this split in my Excel sheet. Anyway, I will share this running notes. Okay, and I will share this Excel sheet as again whatever I'm showing right now. Okay, 1 second. This is the Excel sheet. I'm going to share this Excel sheet as well. So sheet 1 and sheet 2. So just go through the test case, how you have to write. Anyway, this test case and this everything I'm going to share in the group right now. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, tomorrow, just please spend some more time regarding. We will create that, and you have to identify the mistake. This is a mistake we are doing, and that will help
Okay.
for next time.
Understood.
Sir.
If 25 people will share 25 Excel sheets, okay, it will take time for me. Okay, what I will do, okay, I will go through each and every Excel sheet, and the final answer sheet, what I am expecting, I can consolidate it and I can go through that part, so that the final answer result will come to know everyone.
Okay.
Understood? Yeah, whatever
sir.
you said, that will work out only in offline, but in online I cannot go through each and every Excel sheet what they have prepared. Understood?
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Is anybody is having any doubts before winding up today's session? I think somebody has now no idea on what session happened. What is the testing background? He has given some walkthrough. Okay. I don't know how much helpful that session might be helpful who is already working. Okay. But my session will helpful who doesn't know about testing background also. Now in today's class, they can understand what is testing, how to write test cases, how to write test scenario objective. I think now everybody is on same page now. Okay. If you want to gather 2-3 members and you can prepare yourself and work out on this scenario plot now onwards. Okay. Just take 2 days break from the automation and keep your effort on the manual work, because 60% of the work it is going manual work only in the companies. Even if you are hiring an automation, 60% of the work initially you might have to work on initial 6 to 7 months on manual testing. After that, we will take you on automation, like that companies are telling. So in such case, you have to know how to write test cases, and how you have to know about background of testing, manual testing as well. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today, and we will see you tomorrow. Any
Thank you.
doubts before winding up today's session?
Nothing.
Okay, fine. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Yes.